All right, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Now, I'm very excited to check this thing out. It is a budget tablet, so it sells for between $130 to $160. And honestly, from looking at the specs and some of the stock photos, it looks pretty fancy for that price point. So, we'll see what it looks like here. Also, as I'm going over this, if you guys could smash like button on this video, I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so comes in like a mesh wrapping. We'll take it out in a second. We're going to see what else comes in the box. Got a little user manual, and then of course we've got USB-C charging cable and plug. Pretty basic stuff in the box. But anyways, as far as some of the basic specs on this thing, it's got an 8.7-inch display, glass front, aluminum backing, and it's got some plastic ends on it. All right, so the wrapping on this looks like I got to take it out from the side. Yeah, it's definitely wrapped pretty well for sure. All right, so this is the moment of truth. I really just want to see the build on this thing. And, like I said, wow. Okay, yeah. Okay, so the aluminum back feels super nice. All right, so you can get this in both silver and gray. Those are your color options on it. It's got a little bit of weight to it as well. Got the camera up here. Yeah, very nice. All right, so let's flip this thing over. I'm going to get it powered up so we can get through the startup screen and actually test it out a little bit here. All right, so that glass front, man. So the display definitely looks pretty big on this thing. Looks like it might pick up some fingerprint smudges, though. I'm kind of seeing that already. So it didn't come with the screen protector installed on it. That would have been kind of nice if they would have done that. Surprised they didn't. But it is what it is. It's not exactly a deal breaker. Okay, so the main camera on this is 8 megapixels. You've also got 1080 by 30 frames per second on the video recording. And dang, man, I really like the stock wallpaper on this. The wallpaper is super fresh, but let's see what else they got on here. It looks like they got a few. Okay, so you got another blue toned wallpaper, and then you got like a green and yellowish one. Let's check out this other blue option. I always like to check the wallpapers whenever I start up any new device, and yeah, I mean, we'll check this one out for a second just to switch it up. Okay, so I do want to kind of check out some of the display quality, just playing some video and like some of the sound quality on this. So I do have it turned up all the way. I guess we'll just let this trailer play. This is a really cool trailer, by the way. I think you guys are going to enjoy this. All right, so let's switch it over here to landscape. Trying to press this arrow up a little bit here. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm going to let this play for like maybe a minute. So let's check it out.
But not far enough. Do not let them regroup.
Okay, so the audio on this tablet is really good. You were hearing that at full blast. And then you get most of the display on this. I mean, not really that big of a notch on the bottom or top of it as well. All right, so let's check out some gameplay. Now, because, this is a tablet, gaming can probably feel a little bit weird because it's a bigger screen. You might have some issues playing some, first-person shooters like Call of Duty, but we'll find out. Actually, I'm going to play that game in an upcoming video. But I'm going to play a game here called Hunt Down. It's like a third-person action shooter. It's really fun. I've been playing this game quite a bit as well. Now, the processor on this tablet is a little bit lower grade. It's got a MediaTek processor on it. I've said this before about MediaTek processors. They take a little longer for the games to load up, but once they load up, it plays smooth, so that's never an issue. And we'll just see how this game plays. I'll probably play this one for like just about a minute. Then I'll give you some of my closing thoughts and some of my first impressions using the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. All right, so I'll tell you what, for 130 to 160 bucks, this is a really nice tablet. I like the display size. It's got a nice build quality with the aluminum backing. The audio on it's really good. You can see it works really nice in both portrait and landscape. Watching video on it is solid as well. Gaming's good. I'm going to be testing out some more games on some upcoming videos, but I really like this thing. If you guys have any questions about using it, feel free to message me below in the comments. If you didn't get a chance to smash that like button at any point, please do that now. Thanks for watching it, and we will see you in the next one.